In today's video, we'll be talking about Rivian promised over-the-air software updates, and the recent fire outbreak that occurred inside Rivian's production factory. Hi, welcome to Everything Cybertruck and Rivian, where you'll be getting all the latest updates on the announced Tesla Cybertruck, and Rivian with their newly released Rivian R1T. If you enjoy our content, please let us know in the comments section below, and why not support us by hitting that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well so you'll be the first to know each time we release a new video. It's free. Much like Tesla, Rivian's vehicles also receive over-the-air updates to ensure the proper functioning of the vehicle. Recently there's been another over-the-air update. Let's take a look at what Rivian's software update brought to the table. Rivian R1T electric pickup truck owner and YouTube influencer Ted Actually Talks called on our attention to the latest Rivian software update. The reason is that it's a more substantial update than those we previously reported on. These early updates were simply referred to as bug fixes and improvements. They were likely pushed out to Rivian's fleet not only to make some minor fixes, but also to assure that the technology was working properly, and owners were aware, as well as impressed with the results. Rivian's software update improves the vehicle's performance. On the truck's touchscreen, it says the vehicle must be parked with over 35 miles of range, and it can't be charging at a DC fast charging station. The vehicle must remain parked while it's updating, and some features may be limited during the process. The update adds tire pressure status to the driver display, as well as a long list of other improvements, such as enhanced infotainment system usability and stability, improved region at a high battery state of charge, improved DC fast charging curve at low temps, enhanced cabin climate protection, improved highway assist performance, improved vehicle suspension consistency, and the list goes on. Ted talks about the long list of new features and takes us through some of them on the R1T's touchscreen. You can check out that video in the description below. Now onto our last major headline. A Rivian vehicle reportedly caught fire inside the company's automotive factory in Normal, Illinois, on Friday night. The situation led to a temporary evacuation of the facility so that local firefighters could put the fire out and get the smoke out of the plant. According to a press release published by the Normal Fire Department, a Rivian electric vehicle was on fire while it was up on a lift, and the factory's fire suppression sprinkler system was already showering it from above. The crew quickly connected its hoses to the plant's internal standpipe system and extinguished the fire. The press release confirms that the fire occurred at 100N Rivian Motorway, the official address for the former Mitsubishi factory, which is now Rivian's first electric vehicle plant. The Pantograph notes that, according to officials from the Normal Fire Department, the Bloomington Fire Department was also called to help. This was because of the factory's sheer size, and the potential work needed to properly ventilate the facility. Off-duty firefighters were also contacted to ensure that other local fire stations would be ready in the case of other emergencies during the same timeframe. Thanks to the factory's sprinkler system, the fire wasn't able to spread or damage other vehicles or equipment. Only one Rivian vehicle was damaged, and no one was hurt. However, authorities are currently investigating the cause of the fire. Public Information Officer Matt Swaney shared, "The sprinkler system did exactly what it was supposed to do: put water on the fire quickly and prevent it from spreading until the fire department arrived to finish the job. Most importantly, the damage was limited to just the one vehicle, and everyone was able to get out of the building safely." The recent fire wasn't the first of its kind at the Rivian factory. Back in October 2021, a small battery fire broke out in an automated battery sub-assembly area. It was quickly extinguished, there were no injuries, and damage to the factory was minimal. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.